How to install Google Drive in Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through step by step in order to do so. So you may follow up these steps for that. So we can go to the official website of Google Drive, which is very easy. So you can open up a browser. And once you head over and open up a browser, what you may do is basically go ahead and visit google.com google.com/drive/download. After that, hit enter and you will be taken to this site with an option called download drive for desktop. So you can just head over and click on this file right here and it will provide you with an .exe file. You just need to go over and look out for this option called install on Windows if you own Windows. Otherwise, look out for Mac OS and go ahead and install it. Look out for download for Windows if you own Windows. After that, a .exe file will be available for you. You can just head over and look out for that .exe file and double click on the downloaded file. And if Windows asks for permission, you can give the permission and the drive will be downloaded to your device. It will open up automatically where you can sign in with your Google account. That is one of the method available. You can just head over and follow that process. Once you download it, you can search for Drive and open it up like this and sign in with your account if you're not signed in. And there you can just go over and view it up. And that's it. You may follow this method in order to download the Google Drive file very easily. And Google replaced it with Google Drive for desktop. So just install the latest version above and you should be able to do it. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.